Archie Lenham now.
And one of those talents is Archie Lenham also. He's really good with the ball, handy with the bat as well. Rested in the last game.
A leg spinner. Beautifully bowled first up. Lovely drift in towards the batsman and turn away as well. Nice start.
On this pitch, slip for the spinners can be quite crucial because it's skidding away. It's not gripping that much.
A bit of variation as well. Slightly short, not all that short. Should be out, should have a wicket in his first over, and he does. That's their third now, the Hunters. They're in trouble here against the Warriors.
And Moiz Rana was given an opportunity up the order, but Archie Lenham, he's too good. Tried to hit it to that mid-wicket region. It was up in the air, not much legs on it. Comfortable catch in the deep. Moiz Rana has to walk back for 17. Hyderabad Hunters 32 for 3.
That was a wrong and first up as well. It's good control. And of course, when a slip is been placed in that position, the batsman's automatically thinking it is going to be a slip.
It was short, it was there to be hit, but the timing was not there. Good catch there in the deep. Moiz Rana trying to accelerate for his team. Couldn't manage.
Yeah, 17 off 13, that was his total. He was playing quite nicely. I think that's sliding a bit leg side, and so does the guy with the purple shirt, and that's the most important thing.
And with all his variations, the bounce on this particular ball was lower.
It's a really good start from Archie. Bowled beautifully. End of that over. 7 gone. All the threes. 33 for 3. And leg spin again. He's picked that up superbly. That is a wonderful shot. Nicely played for 6 runs off the first ball of the over. Pressure back on the bowler.
Arbaz Khan, whenever he's playing, he has gone out for not a couple of times, but 160 that he made, he looks serious cricketer. He can hit it out of the park, good against spin, good against fast. The contact was really good. And Archie Lenham, whenever he's bowling with this field, 3 fielders on cut, he generally brings the ball in.
Nicely bowled. He's getting really good revolutions on these deliveries at the moment. That's why he's getting that in drift to the right-handed batsman. That's nice connection. Has he gone far enough? I think he might have. Yeah, that's a beauty. Absolute beauty. Second 6 of the over.
And it seems that the Hunters are able to read him better in the second over. Again, a googly. Munib Wasas uses his feet, plays with the spin over long off. Excellent use of feet, head position very still, using those long levers.
Yeah, it's a brilliant shot. So 3 balls and 2 sixes off the over. Bunted down the ground just for 1. There's that wrong one. Inside edge, big inside edge. Nirman Javed is not out.
Another googly there. And he's a very smart bowler. He leaves that cover region empty for the batter to play in 2 covers.
Another one. Picked him out. Just had to come in about half a dozen yards, I suppose, and took the catch comfortably.
And Archie Lenham, he has the last laugh. 14 of this over. Arbaz Khan will have to ask himself, was this needed? It was a wrong one again. He wanted to clear the long on fielder. Didn't time it as well as the previous one. Hasib takes the catch in the deep. And Darren Sammy not happy.
Deep breaths, Darren. Deep breaths, deep breaths. Abbas Khan goes for 22. He played nicely, but that was unnecessary. 53 for 4.
Hassan Iqbal, Ali Nasir are the two batters at the moment. A little bit of turn, we've seen a little bit of swing, and they are struggling at the moment to even get to 100, 120.
It's a wide delivery. Well, what baffled me even further was the batting order. Saad Beg opening with Afaq Khan, two left-handers. Usually, if you have the option, you'll use a left-hand right-hand combination. Combination we saw previous to this game was that of Saad Beg and Arbaz Khan. Remember, both of them put on 132 in that match. Number 5 was against the Sharks. And today, just a reconfiguration of the batting order. Moiz Rana, who batted lower down in the previous match, back to batting at number 3. Another play and a miss. Lenham, he's been excellent with his ability to bowl that googly that goes across the left-hander. 2 wickets to him already.
Quick single then to finish another good over from Archie Lenham. 5 from it. Their 11 overs done. 60 for 5. Field set back on that leg side. Just looked like it was always going to go in the air, and if you don't get enough of it, then you're going to be given a chance.
Another good tight delivery. Well,
the way my back feels after trying to bowl at Rizak the other day, I need a bit of oil. Oh.
talking about the right decisions, credit must go to Shahid Afridi, being versatile with their bowling. And it's a decision that has worked in their favor. End of the over, end of a spell for Lenham. 2 for 24. The score, 67 for 6.